The MIC Institute of Technology, formerly Metal Industries Company Limited, is an agency of the Ministry of Education that was established in 1974 as a joint venture by the Government of the Republic of Trinidad and Tobago. The parties involved were the United Nations Development Programme, UNDP/United Nations Industrial Development Organization, UNIDO, and several private local industries. MIC-IT has over 30 technical and vocational education and training (TVET) programs spanning levels 1 to 4 in engineering, building construction, manufacturing, hospitality and tourism, agriculture, and energy. In this segment, we are focused on welding. Stringer bead welding technique using shielded method arc welding (SMAW). Welders should wear clean, dry welding gloves and overalls. Overalls or other clothing should be worn to minimize the amount of bare skin, particularly on arms and legs. A welding helmet, commonly referred to as a hood, is one of the essential pieces of personal protective equipment a welder must have. A good helmet protects the eyes and skin from severe sparks and potentially vision-damaging ultraviolet and infrared rays emitted by the arc. SMAW is the most common and uncomplicated welding process involving simple equipment, and therefore it is straightforward to learn. Likewise, it has a wide range of applications from construction, maintenance, and repair of iron and heavy steel structures. The stringer bead technique is the most common and basic welding you will learn when welding on a flat surface. The weld beads are deposited in a straight line in the stringer bead welding technique. A stringer bead is a straightforward procedure in which you either pull or push the torch across the joint in a straight line with zero to minimal side-to-side movement. Hold the welding stick perpendicular to the part where the materials are to be welded and then tilt at approximately 5 to 15 degrees. After the welding is complete, the slag must be removed with a chipping hammer and smoothened weld with a wire brush. Remember, welding must be done by a trained and certified professional. For information on training and certification in welding, contact MIC-IT, Head Office 5A Century Drive, Trinity Business Park, Macoya. Telephone 868-663-4MIC, that's 868-663-4642, or email info@mic.co.tt.